Hey everyone, it's the morning, and I gotta go to White City to meet up with all my grad class, and then go to Regina Beach for senior skip day. Yeah. So we're out here, Regina Beach for skip day, and yeah, it's a tad bit cold though. What's up, Trevor?
You know.
How's it going?
Well, I'm a little confused right now because I don't know what the hell's going on.
I don't know what's going on either. Like, well, I mean, it seems nice right now because of the sun, but I don't know what would be better here or Lumsden.
It's hard to say. Could be either way.
I haven't been to Lumsden Beach though. So.
Can I dine off you?
Yes.
Oh.
Can I do an IOU?
Bailey, you already owe me like 3.
Do an IOU.
We're chilling, ripping through shit where cars can't get through. Fuck. Are we the only ones with a truck here?
Yeah.
No doubt.
No, Bailey should go off-roading and put it on the blog.
Yeah, maybe can I have my fucking backpack in here?
See if they can get through.
Yeah, I know. He has that dice thing.
I know. What the fuck would his car be doing?
Are they coming?
Yeah, they're coming. Big convoy.
Who's the fucking
Let's see if they can get
Yeah,
up.
who's in the SUVs?
Who's in the
Fucking
van?
That's not a van, that's like a Jimmy and a fucking...
Okay, they're coming. Okay, Bailey, go down here. Where I said go up the hill, can go down.
Oh, crap. Yeah, they're making it.
Let's just see where this takes us.
Watch and see if they follow us with the car.
I can't even see them anymore.
Yeah, I don't think
You have to say you missed your truck, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
I fucking want a truck so bad now. Oh my god.
Okay, just go slow because this could be a dirty drop.
Off phone. Oh shit.
No, we're good.
Oh, we're good.
Oh yeah. This would be sick to hit with a quad.
Side by
You're getting dirty air. Right here, just gone.
I don't know, to the lake.
Yeah, see ya. Oh yeah, you can gap this.
Okay.
I don't know.
We have no fucking clue where we're going.
What's up, you?
Yo, what up? Who are these kids?
I don't know who those guys are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
put the backpacks over there. They don't need to be in the vehicle. What?
Okay, so what are we going through?
That.
Okay, let me film that. That's gonna be great.
Hey, we got a truck there in case we get stuck. We got a couple trucks.
I took everything out.
Okay.
That's all bad.
Just wait a sec, Bailey. I want a video.
You go. Right through here. That's too ruddy.
What's that? Like
Just give her,
down
man.
there,
Just
though?
give her. Who cares?
Just go.
Back up and give her.
Balls to the wall.
You got a left kit, you're good.
Oh, that
The left
mud
side
stinks. Yeah, put in 4x4. Okay, go. Go.
Traction
Bailey.
off?
Yeah.
No.
No, keep it on.
No, off.
Okay, go. Give her. Hole right here. Slow down, Bailey.
Oh my god.
Woo.
This guy's like, what?
Up here.
Holy.
As if we made that.
Oh, there's a truck coming behind us.
Let's go
Oh,
back.
now we're stuck.
Now I'm fucked.
Hi, this is Madison. Oh, I got this. I got this. Welcome to Senior Skip Day, everyone. My name is Madison. This is real. I'm coming to you from Brennan Bear's blog. Vlog?
Is it vlog or vlog?
I don't know.
Vlog.
Woo! Too tired.
Did I have double chips in
No.
I know, that was great. Have you tried calling it back?
This is Brennan Bear playing volleyball. Oh, there he goes, hitting it. Woo! Nice try, Brennan.
Anybody have like band-aids and shit? Anybody have
I have napkins in my
Anybody have band-aids?
You regret doing it?
I want them back.
Get the fuck over here!
It was Los Angeles, but it was Japan.
I'm so scared of us getting caught. Is it videoing?
Yeah, it's videoing right now.
Wow, this is like a cool camera.
We're gonna get a little No, it's going to. Just take our look off. Yeah, I gotta give it 10 minutes, honestly.
Yeah, ready?
What?
Less than 10 minutes. I give it 5 tops. Maybe 2.
Like a
2 to 5 minutes before it rains.
Is it raining already?
If I'm right, someone
Beard
has to
art.
do something.
Brennan Bear.
It's not funny. Yeah, I was about to say I'm getting a little perky. Oh yeah. That's why you wear the ones that have cups on them, and then you can't see
Yeah, exactly. Getting some good action shots of Brennan here. Grizzly. Oh, here he comes. Oh, missed it. That was awful.
Good try. I'm going to take Robert home.
How are you, Daddy?
I punched myself in the head.
Can you dive still now?
That long. Is that going to set you back or whatever?
Oh, nice. That was good. Look at him run. He's gonna have a nice vlog. Oh, I should probably like.
Whose camera is that?
Brennan's.
That's Brennan's camera?
But why the where are these bugs coming from?
From the fucking...
We can all bitch about how close it is together. Get Tyler.
Yep. Oh, his camera's gonna. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah, a lot nicer than
Hey, Zach!
Nicer though. It's supposed to be...
Yeah, see, it's not
What time do we come over to
I don't know why it's not working, because it's all bubbles.
I told you guys to turn it on good.
Hit a bubble out of the air and pop it. Do I check what?
It looked like Coleman just blew that out of his ass.
Sit on my good basketball.
We're not cooperating.
I wanted to fall.
He's having a dirt
No.
Then you gotta come swim with me, okay? No,
Is that for your vlog?
Yeah, I want to catch him falling. But I don't know if it's gonna happen.
Can I be in your vlog?
You want to be in it? Hold up.
What would I do?
Huh?
What do I do?
Oh, I missed it. God damn it, Austin.
I'll take responsibility for that one.
Josh, you're supposed to fall in for the camera.
No, bad idea.
Just Josh. I can't talk. Just dropped. My God. Just dropped Josh off at his house. Me and him went to the city, picked up some few things, did some errands there, and now I'm gonna go pick up Carlin. I don't know. I don't even know what I recorded last. Just something on the beach. Basically, after the beach, just came all the way back here, went back to my car, went back to Josh's house, picked up some stuff, went to the city, did errands. Now we're all the way back here, and now it's almost 7 o'clock. So now I'm gonna go all the way to Carlin's house and pick her up, go all the way back to my house so I can get ready, and then go all the way to Sam's house for a party tonight. Woo, lots of driving around today.
guys back home after picking up Carlin. And now she's laying on my bed because I gotta go get ready for the party. Heck yeah. And get rid of this bad hair beach wind setup going on. Okay. Hey guys, all ready? Carlin's ready. I'm ready. And we're going to Sam's tonight. And let's get this party started. Walking to the party. Walking to the party. It's kind of dark outside.
Yo, everyone in the vlog right now. What's up? Oh my god, yeah. It's gonna be uploaded tomorrow, so you guys love to watch it. Hey, Raquel, how's it going? Hi. Just everyone's like, yo! Raquel, hi. I am vlogging. What's up, buddy? How's it going? Tyson, my man. Not as good as Stag, but it's a good fucking time. Yeah. Smoking darts, getting drunk with the boys, it's a good fucking time. Yeah, you were fucked on that video. He was fucked up.
Might be a little dark.
I was pissed drunk. I don't know, at least we got light over there. Oh yeah, might be a tad bit dark. Hey, Carlin, so say, yay!
Well, it's about that time to go to bed, so good night. Today was a fun day. Hope you guys had a fun day. Peace out. Love y'all. See you tomorrow.